Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer the question of how to kill those tiny black dots called aphids on plants. First, what are aphids exactly? Aphids are tiny, soft-bodied insects that can be as small as 1/16 of an inch long. They are easy to miss because of their size. They hide in curled leaves and sometimes hide on the back of the plant leaves or up the plant stem. Their color ranges from black, white, red, green, and even yellow. They love new plant growth, and while they won't do much damage in small amounts, an infestation can. Aphids will suck out a plant's nutrients, leaving yellow curled leaves, and if not treated, can eventually kill the plant. There are numerous ways you can get rid of aphids. First, baking soda. It will kill aphids by making it difficult for them to breathe, but you don't want to use too much or you may harm your plant as well. To use, mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to 1½ teaspoons of olive oil. Stir well and add that to a cup of water. Spray the foliage a few times per month. You can also use hydrogen peroxide to kill aphids, but don't use it straight from the bottle or you may burn the foliage. Instead, mix 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide with 1 cup of water. Spray directly on the leaves. This mixture will also get rid of mildew on the plants. While not the perfect solution due to its ability to kill plants if not diluted properly, vinegar will work as well. Mix 1/2 white vinegar with 1/2 water. Add a few drops of dishwashing soap and spray the leaves. Use sparingly so you won't hurt the plant. Remember, vinegar can be a weed killer as well. Using insecticidal soap like this one from Natria requires no mixing or fussing and it will kill the aphids within minutes. A word of caution. Yes, eggshells and banana peels will repel aphids, but if you choose this option, you may find yourself with roaches, mice, rats, and fruit flies. So you may want to stick with using the insecticidal soap. If you have any other backyard questions, click the link below to some of our other videos. We've supplied links to mentioned products, and don't forget to like and subscribe.